Senator and broadcaster Eddie Ilarde has passed away. He died 21 days before his 86th birthday on August 25. Ilarde's family clarified his death was not COVID-related. Ilarde served as Pasay City Councilor in the 60s. He also became an assemblyman and a senator. Ilarde is best known for hosting the TV shows Tudid Canteen and the major programs Kahapon Lamang, Dear Kuya Eddie, and Napakasakit Kuya Eddie.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.